Ananya Pandey's dating history, a journey through her B-town romances. Love her or loathe her, tolerate her or troll her, there's no escaping the magnetic charm and sass that Ananya Pandey brings to the table. Apart from being in the news for her exceptional fashion choices and sweeping statements about her struggle in show business, the Bollywood diva often grabs headlines for her romantic escapades. In fact, at just 25 years of age, Ananya has had quite an enviable dating history featuring heartthrobs like Ishaan Khatia, Kartik Aaryan, Aditya Roy Kapoor and now Hardik Pandya. Well, while her silver screen journey might be a mix of hits and misses, Ananya's romantic life seems to be an undisputed blockbuster, imbued with some heartbreaks amidst much excitement. Though she has never confirmed any of her relationships publicly, her enthusiasm while talking about her hot flames always give away the truth. Here's deconstructing Ananya Pandey's dating history and list of boyfriends. Karan Jaising, the first chapter of Ananya's love chronicles. Before her big Bollywood debut with Student of the Year 2, Ananya dipped her toes into the dating pool with none other than the dashing Karan Jaising, son of celebrated fashion designer Monica Jaising. The two have been family friends and dated briefly in 2018. It all started when Ananya's cousin Alana Pandey started dating Karan's elder brother Yudhishthir Jaising, aka Yudi, back in the day, and that's how all of them started hanging out together. Soon, Ananya and Karan were also a thing. Their party pictures on social media added more fuel to the fire. However, their romance was short-lived and the two broke up after just a few months. Aryan Khan, the big Bollywood connection. In classic Karan Johar style, there was conjecture about Ananya dating Aryan Khan as well. There were reports that Aryan and Ananya were once romantically involved, and the actress even admitted to having a crush on him on KWK Season 7 by mentioning, "Yeah, he is cute. I had a crush on Aryan." Considering that Ananya is best friends with Aryan's sister Suhana Khan, there could be some truth to these dating rumors. Ishaan Khatia, a not-so-khali pili love story. Ishaan Khatia marks the longest relationship in Ananya's life so far. While shooting for Khali Pili, Ananya and Ishaan allegedly fell in love. Their chemistry, both on and off screen, was almost infectious. From commenting on each other's social media posts to vacationing together, the two kept giving fans more fodder vis-a-vis their relationship status. Reportedly, they started dating in 2019 and were together for 3 years before parting ways in 2022. It was Ananya who broke up with Ishaan due to unknown reasons. In one of the episodes of Coffee with Karan, Karan asked Ishaan, "Did you break up with Ananya recently?" To which he replied, "Did I? Because you said she broke up with me recently." Ishaan also expressed how he wants to be friends with Ananya for the rest of his life. The dude clearly was head over heels for the charming Miss Pandey. Kartik Aaryan, another co-star turned boyfriend. Yes, Ananya was briefly linked up with her Pati Patni or wo co-star Kartik Aaryan, and this was again revealed, no points for guessing, by the most reliable informant of Tinseltown aka Karan Johar on his talk show. Even in the latest episode of the new season where Ananya Pandey and Sara Ali Khan made an appearance together, Karan hinted about the two dating the same guy in the past and still being friends with their ex. Interestingly, it was on the same coffee couch that Sara had admitted to having a crush on Kartik. Vijay Deverakonda, a friendly date or more. Liger co-stars Vijay Deverakonda and Ananya Pandey grabbed many eyeballs with their on-screen chemistry and created quite a stir on social media. The two even made an appearance together on Coffee with Karan Season 7, where Ananya gave some cryptic hints about having a crush on Vijay. During the same episode, it was also revealed that the two had gone on a friendly date together while shooting for Liger. Whether the date led to anything fonder and if the two ever became an exclusive couple remains a mystery. Aditya Roy Kapoor. The next hottie in Ananya Pandey's dating history is Aditya Roy Kapoor. The two reportedly dated for 2 years from August 2022 until March 2024, but they refrained from confirming their relationship publicly. From walking hand in hand for Manish Malhotra's show at the Lakme Fashion Week to vacationing together in Spain, their relationship danced on the thin line between confirmation and mystery. However, an episode of Coffee with Karan Season 8, which hosted Ananya Pandey and Sara Ali Khan, almost confirmed this relationship. When questioned about being Gumrah in love, Ananya replied with a coy smile, "Aashiki aise hi hoti hai," referencing Aditya's breakthrough film Aashiki 2. Adding more fuel to the already blazing rumors, a paparazzi video surfaced, capturing Ananya and Aditya in an intimate moment at a party. Recently, Hardik Pandya confirmed his divorce from his wife and actress Natasha Stankovic through his social media post. The fans of the pair were disappointed to hear this news. However, now news of Hardik Pandya's new relationship is doing the rounds right after the divorce. According to Indian media, Hardik Pandya was spotted at Mukesh Ambani's son Anand Ambani's wedding ceremony. Several videos of this event are also going viral on social media, in which Hardik Pandya can be seen dancing with actor Ranveer Singh and actress Ananya Pandey. Not only this, after this wedding, both have followed each other on Instagram. Fans say that the Instagram following is a testimony to the growing love of Hardik Pandya and Ananya Pandey.